Yeah, so Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to TPR Pod again, yet again. And this is
दोबारा फिर से
episode number ऊपर लिखा हुआ होगा and नीचे लिखा हुआ होगा.
somewhere.
Yeah.
They'll be here.
Yeah.
It's episode 80.
Yeah.
80.
Episode
Chalan Crew
number
Hangout
80.
number 17.
सुकर चुके हैं नौजवान मगई मेरी जुबान सकल ले हमारे की ओर पर मांगे पंछी का
But khair, a big thing that has happened recently is that Rizwan went on an epic journey. That's going to be the main focus of this episode. That epic journey is that Rizwan decided Corona times में कि flight लेने के बजाय drive करके लाहौर से कराची, कराची से लाहौर किया जाए. And then Rizwan ने, it seems, पूरा शहर खा लिया कराची का. सब कराची की पॉपुलेशन कम हो गई है. रिजवान ने इतना खाना खा लिया है, लोग भूखे मर रहे हैं. एंड रिजवान ने बहुत सारी तस्वीरें लगाई एंड हैट्स ऑफ रिजवान भाई एंजॉयिंग. उफ इस तरह के शदीद ट्वीट्स और जवाबात.
अच्छा शॉकिंगली एक भी रिप्लाई ये कहते भी नहीं आया रिजवान भाई अकेले अकेले. Nobody said that. So people are improving. That is a good sign. Yeah.
Not everything can be improved at once, but चलें थोड़ी. तो रिजवान आप बताएं फिर in your own अल्फाज. लोग बेताब हैं सुनने के लिए. I'm assuming कि आपने ये कदम आपने ये क्यों लिया, कैसे किया, सारा जर्नी का बताएं. बहुत कुछ हुआ ड्राइव पे जाते हुए आते हुए शहर के अंदर. तो how did it go? Palvasha left first. She left on a flight. And then
she left on a flight because she doesn't care about the virus, you know. तो
उनको नहीं होता.
हाँ, तो यार
लेडीज का एहतराम होती है.
वायरस लेडीज सेक्शन में नहीं जाता. जेंट्स को ही होता है. जेंट्स मर्दाना जो कुव्वत है ना, ये उस पर हमला करता है. ये यहूदियों ने बनाया ये वायरस.
Yeah, man. I drove to Karachi alone. एक तो ये पहली गलती है. So if you are planning to drive from Lahore to Karachi, which is around 1,260 kilometers from toll gate to toll gate.
Right.
It varies आप शहर में कहाँ रह रहे हैं. That's different. क्योंकि कराची पहुँच के मुझे कराची वाले घर जाने में 1 घंटा और लगा. So it's 1,260 kilometers. So it is a long drive. अगर हमारी roads कराची तक सही होती हैं, and if you're driving at like 120 average, it would take you 10 hours. अब थोड़े breaks भी ले लेते हो बीच में. Like I took a couple of naps, like 15 minute वाले alarm लगा के. तो it took me like 16 hours to do the journey.
When did you leave?
How long does the train take?
हाँ.
Answer both questions at once.
बारी बोल दो.
How long does a train take?
Yeah, the Green Line, which is like the business express kind of wali train.
Shukar hai, I thought you were saying for Muslims only.
Oh my God.
उसमें भी सेक्शन बनेंगे. हाँ खैर.
हाँ तो
72 सीटें उसमें. पढ़ने चल रहे हैं
उसमें. उसमें अगर आप पंजाबी हैं तो ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि आपको उतार देंगे ट्रेन से. So the train takes 16 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
But that's also कि अगर टाइम पे आ जाए, अगर कोई मसला ना हो, all that stuff.
हाँ, like Green Line, generally people say it is on time, but I haven't been on the Green Line in like 2 years.
Okay.
So I don't know. Plus, you're able to sleep on the train. Like Green Line, AC अच्छा है, there's Wi-Fi वगैरह, so you can sleep.
The last time you went, were you able to sleep? Because there was
That's
a
another
story
story.
about a Babaji. उनको नींद नहीं आ रही
Yeah,
थी.
there was a fucking 150 साल का बाबा, and so you like everyone has to sleep अगर berth खुलने हैं, क्योंकि 3
Yeah.
हैं, right? Like ground floor, first floor, or second floor. So if one of them is sitting on the lowest berth, तो ऊपर
बीच
वाले
वाली
खुल
नहीं
नहीं
खुलती.
सकते.
Yeah.
So बीच वाली नहीं खुल सकती और ऊपर वाली भी नहीं खुलेगी. हाँ,
ऊपर वाली, isn't the ऊपर वाली just always खुली?
हाँ, sorry, ऊपर वाली खुली है, but then I had to climb and sleep ऊपर वाले पे. I wasn't doing that, leaving Palvasha बैठी हुई with the Babaji.
Yeah.
So Babaji refused to sleep. He was like, मैनू नींद नहीं आ रही, मैं नहीं सोना. तो
He's still on
करते
that.
करते वो लेटने को तैयार नहीं थे और फिर बैठे बैठे सो गए और फिर हम उनको उठा ना सके.
टांगे खींच लेते. What?
I think I have described this journey किसी हमारे episode में. और
Yeah.
and like I quietly, पता नहीं, Palvasha tells me ऐसे आराम से कि एकदम से सबको बोलते हैं ज़लज़ला आ रहा है, सारे लोग सो रहे हैं, डर जाएंगे. So nobody heard us. They were all sleeping. बाबाजी बैठे हुए सो रहे हैं. 15 मिनट बाद बाबाजी wakes up and he's like, ज़लज़ला आ रहा है, ज़लज़ला आ रहा है. Yeah, he actually felt it's a ज़लज़ला. So because the train is moving, and yeah. So Babaji sat and slept for 12 घंटे, and we were just sitting, and it's a straight back seat.
Yeah.
It's like a bench. So yeah, that's that.
Anyway, when did you leave for the drive?
I left at 6:30 in the morning. I was scheduled to leave at 5, लेकिन फिर मेरे भाई का plan बन गया to leave from Lahore for Dubai, so I dropped him at the airport सुबह 5 बजे. करते करते then I grabbed my coffee, McDonald's breakfast. वो होते होते 6:30 I got on the motorway.
Okay.
और पहले 7 घंटे are fine because it's the motorway till Sakhar. So डर सिर्फ ये लगता है कि मैं early morning ये नहीं शुरू करना चाहता था because हमारा मुल्तान से सखर वाला motorway at least, या लाहौर मुल्तान वाला भी, we know the incident that has happened.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and there's not a lot of patrolling. और जाके ड्राइव करके पता चलता है कि उस पे फ्यूल स्टेशंस भी काफी weirdly placed हैं.
Okay.
So instead of the petrol stations being closer to the main checkpoints in distance, they come ऐसी जगह पे कि तब आपको फ्यूल की जरूरत नहीं होती और when you need it तब आपके like दूर तक कोई petrol station नहीं है. So what I was doing is like if I drive around 130, 140-ish, तो fuel ज़्यादा लगता है. So I was just sticking to 110, 120-ish.
Yeah.
So I get more mileage. Or so the first 7 hours are fine. The weird bit is like there's nothing to see. So I don't know. लोग जो बोलते हैं यार बहुत खूबसूरत journey है, like the roads are calling me, the mountains are calling me. I don't know, man. पता नहीं.
TPR पढ़ रहा ही. हमारा ये होगा. नफरत ज़्यादा. ये कोई मुल्क है?
Like, अच्छा, Punjab, the beauty of Punjab is that तुम किसी भी जगह से गुजर रहे हो, या if you take an exit and get off at like a smaller शहर, which I did a few times to refuel, क्योंकि रास्ते में सारे like लगा हुआ है petrol station that way, and when you enter वहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है. So I took exits, and Punjab का scene ये like it's all the same. So you can exit into any शहर and it would be लाल ईंटों वाली buildings and same दुकानें of like random stuff और बेचारे गरीब लोग, and that's the thing all over Pakistan, I guess.
Right.
So yeah, there's nothing to see while driving. Motorway boring भी हो जाता है because you're just driving और traffic भी कम है और at a constant speed. तो थोड़ा बहुत music लगाया, सिकंदर का मंदिर काफी सुना, बाकी फिर कुमार सानू के गाने सुने,
Sanu?
ऑल बॉलीवुड एंड सेकंड, या कुमार सानू के गाने, एंड yeah, there's just खेत and like
That's a bad
ईंटों
idea.
की भट्टियां to watch, and yeah, only
Okay.
खेत and ईंटों के, तुम लोगों ने वो देखे होंगे यार, it's called a भट्टा और a भट्टी, वो जो
भट्टी,
लंबे
yeah.
से like चिमनी,
The brick kilns.
Yeah.
yeah. तो उनको देख के
Kiln.
मुझे याद,
Kiln.
उनको देख के मुझे सिर्फ किलिन होती है वो,
हाँ.
उनको देख के मुझे बस
मैं
याद आ
शाही
रहा
हूँ
था-
इकबाल खान.
So, उससे काफी मिलती जुलती चीज मुझे याद आ रही थी. I was thinking about the Humans of New York thing when he came to Pakistan and he did a story on bonded labor. जो एक औरत बचा रही थी bonded laborers को
Yep.
from ईंटों के भट्टे वगैरह. So yeah, अगर उन्होंने ऐसी लातें चला ली होती तो शायद कुछ. Sorry.
Speaking of which, RIP TikTok. That guy is probably not making any more TikToks because
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. वापस खुल जाएगा. That's okay.
Anyway,
Yeah.
फिर how was the drive itself for you? कुछ मसले मसाइल?
Yeah, the drive was okay. I drive a manual, तो वो मसला तब होता है when you enter Sindh, because then you have around 1 crore trucks on the highway, or it's national highway. The road itself, if the motorway is like a 10 on 10, this is like a 7 on 10 road quality wise, like
Okay.
the road itself.
Yeah.
It's not a bad road. बीच में कुछ पैचेस आते हैं जहाँ like या वो कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है या थोड़ी बम्पी हो गई है, but it's generally fine. But it's a 2-lane road, so and the trucks are driving in every lane. They don't care.
Yeah.
आप उनको हॉर्न या कुछ भी मारो,
पाकिस्तान
they
में
don't
तो
give a
ट्रक्स ड्राइव भी फास्ट लेन में करते हैं.
हाँ, they don't
At
care.
like fucking 70.
यार, the Punjab side motorway, the truck wale have a lot of tameez somehow, so you will see them drive in the slow lane or middle lane में overtake करेंगे, and that's fine.
Is there police on the motorway? That's why.
At least M2, which is like the Lahore Islamabad motorway, because that's very popular, बड़ा पुराना है, so there is a lot of police on the motorway.
Right.
do they have like
is,
speed cameras or they're just like stand
They
there with a
are-
speed gun and just stop you?
They stand there with a speed gun.
And if they
So,
can't stop you, you can just go.
if they can't stop you, then they like
वो आगे radio कर
wire
देते हैं.
अगले वालों को radio कर देते हैं.
Okay.
More drone
So
strike with.
which I assume they do, because I've seen a lot of cars just not stop. कुछ होता ही होगा उनके साथ.
But ये
तो,
truck drivers भी वही हैं, मतलब what I was trying to get at was जो सिंध में truck
Yeah.
drivers हैं, ये वही हैं जो पंजाब में तमीज से चला रहे थे. But सिंध में I guess कोई पूछने वाला नहीं होगा.
नहीं, I have been thinking about this. I'm sure वो यही है क्योंकि the motorway is like monitored a lot, at least M2. तो उस पे सुकून रहता है. You do have a few shitty drivers everywhere जो like एकदम fast lane में 60 पे चला रहे होंगे for no reason, but it's rare, like कभी-कभी होता है. M4 is the newer one, which goes from Lahore to Multan. That is almost secluded. Like कोई उस पे hardly तुम्हें कोई patrolling car नजर आएगी. I didn't see any speed gun during my journey, but होंगे शायद. M5 is the Multan to Sakhar, which is I think the newest one. और उसका थोड़ा बैड सीन है in the sense के there's just nothing, कुछ भी नहीं है उस पे एक सर्विस स्टेशन पे या 2 पे शायद छोटी सी कोई टक शॉप्स
Okay.
खुल गई हैं, but
Okay.
you can't find anything. Fuel station for like 400 kilometers you don't get a fuel station. So अगर आपकी गाड़ी की fuel economy उस हिसाब से है, then you can drive सुकून से. My full tank does 600, but it's still risky, you know. डर लगता है, कभी पता
Yeah.
नहीं होता कि क्या. But हाँ, the fun
Did you have a
part starts.
spare fuel can in your car by any
नहीं,
chance? No.
I did not have a spare, like क्या बोलते हैं उसको, jerry can.
Yeah,
What the fuck is it
yeah.
called?
Yeah, Jerry.
Yeah, नहीं, I did not. काफी sudden plan था ये जाने का, और
अच्छी बात है, कराची जाके वो चोरी हो जाता.
सिर्फ ये चाहिए बोतल.
Oh god. Oh my god. But then the Sindh part is, of course, it's very tiring. वो मेरे ख्याल से around 300 something kilometers है to
Okay.
Karachi, but it takes you like 7.5 hours, because अब 100 पे अगर आपकी गाड़ी चला लो बहुत बड़ी बात है. So it's like a constant 60 to 80 की speed. बार बार आप गियर शिफ्टिंग कर रहे हो मैनुअल पे, टांग अलग थक रही है और it's pretty tricky. So throughout the whole 15-16 hour journey, I think I just had I told you guys about this. I had a very small 10-minute patch of the journey which was very interesting. जो कि throughout शायद highways पे देखने के लिए ज्यादा है नहीं. But fuck man, I should have looked up the name again on the map. इस road का I'll look it up. I'll send it to you. कहीं डाल देना.
Okay.
So in Sindh, after you've done your like सखर आपने cross कर लिया है, उसके थोड़े देर बाद there's like a detour right की तरफ. That saves you. जो मेरे brother-in-law ने मुझे बताया था because he did the same route like a month ago. तो मैप भी वो दिखा रहा था. That saves you around 50-55 minutes in the journey, right?
Right.
And that is a 16-kilometer road pehle, and then that takes you on to Indus Highway, which is N55, and then that's like a long stretch again of like 100 kilometers up us pe ja rahe ho towards Hyderabad, and then Hyderabad motorway. So that 16-kilometer patch, which is a detour from your main national highway, उस पे मेरा बहुत interesting experience हुआ यार. So I got onto that. I turned onto the road around 6:15 in the evening, और वो बिल्कुल sunset का time था, and बिल्कुल वो जो it's not golden hour, it's not blue hour, it's like almost blue hour.
Right.
रोशनी बस जा रही है.
Twilight type.
Yeah. So uspe once I got on, that took me around 10 minutes to cross like that whole road. उसके आखिर में bridge आता है. तो पहले तो that whole sunset thing, और सामने they're not mountains but like थोड़े से वो like
Big hills.
जैसे canyon में होता है ना, like stone से चीज वो दूर दूर दिख रही है, and the sun is coming. The sun गायब हो चुका है और हल्की सी रोशनी है, ऐसा ऐसा कम हो रही है. So एक तो I was sleep deprived, or probably I had smoked too much, और वो बहुत ज्यादा फाड़ू सीन था ना मतलब. और क्योंकि I was driving alone, so I didn't have anyone to share this with, and I was just talking to myself कि oh fuck, can you see that Rizwan? What the fuck bro, तुम्हें नजर आ रहा है ये हो क्या रहा है?
Wow.
And yeah, wow, yeah. So and as soon as I reach the bridge as soon as I get on the bridge, so the bridge is over like a water body जो कि पता नहीं क्या है. Maybe it's a
Indus.
tributary that feeds a river or something. तो उस time almost अंधेरा के करीब था, and it was like blue hour, और it's a long bridge. It's like a 1.5 kilometer का bridge है, right? So I'm just slowly driving over it, और एकदम से वो आसमान और पानी मिल गया ना आपस में.
Oh shit.
And I'm like, fuck bro, matlab, fuck, this is insane. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life,
Right.
or the most beautiful natural thing, or
वरना तो हमारी भी.
it's हाँ, जो कि artificial है. It was insane, man. Like I slowed down a bit. मैंने सोचा वो पहला ख्याल जो आता है because of who we are right now in this day and age. Oh shit, मुझे इसकी तस्वीर लेनी है सबको दिखाने के लिए.
Yeah.
But then I'm like, नहीं, fuck that. I'm not taking a photo. I just want to experience this. और मैंने सोचा मैं गाड़ी रोकूं साइड में for this, but it's like a narrow सी रोड है वो ब्रिज की. I didn't want to stop there कि पीछे से कोई उड़ा दे मुझे. और it was insane, man. It was the most beautiful thing I've seen Pakistan में कहीं भी. I've been to थोड़े बहुत mountains इधर उधर, but this is just, it was just beautiful. I wish I could drive to that road again someday, exactly उस time पे, and like 6:15 मैं पहुंचूं and see that again. Maybe have somebody else who can see that. Like have Palvasha see that, or you guys maybe. And
No, it's fine.
and
I'm
ले
okay.
जाओ, बेबी को ले जाओ.
yeah, सब आ जाएंगे. और it was
Then-
lovely. और फिर as soon as I got off the bridge, तो उसके आगे वो छोटे टोल गेट्स हैं, right, throughout Sindh, जहाँ वो 30 रुपए लेते हैं. So वो आ रहा है सामने, तो उससे पहले एक स्पीड ब्रेकर है, so you slow down for the toll. And of course अंधेरा काफी हो रहा था और मेरी full headlights on नहीं थी अभी तक, just like parking lights या जो भी. और I didn't see the speed breaker, or when I saw it, it was too close, and I was like 50-60 की speed पे था. So I tried swerving उससे, और वो पूरा miss नहीं हुआ. So मेरा एक wheel उसके ऊपर से गुजरा, and I almost fell into the water body. गाड़ी 3-4 दफा went out of control और खुद सीधी हो गई. And I was like, fuck, this is how I go, like after watching the most beautiful sunset of my life. Yeah, that was pretty weird. और फिर मैं
बच गया मानो.
I know,
मौत फिर
बच
भी नहीं
गया.
आई.
Yeah, maybe God wants me here, I'm
अभी
wanted
अज़ियत
here.
खत्म नहीं
I'm a
हुई.
good guy.
No.
Yeah. अच्छा, so strangely I like कार सही हो गई, और उसके like थोड़ा सा आगे जाके फिर वो टोल गेट है. And when I get there, the guy probably could see on my face. Yeah, but I don't know. He's just एक तो sorry, एक और अजीब सी चीज हुई थी. Like आम जिंदगी में मैं यहाँ इतनी पंजाबी नहीं बोलता, और जब मैं सिंध एंटर हुआ हूँ, हर टोल गेट पे मेरे मुंह से पंजाबी निकल रही है. I'm like, why? तो
dominance दिखा रहे थे ये.
yeah. I was like, bro, मतलब know your place, know your role. Yeah. So I get to the guy and I ask him, हाँ जी, कितना है टोल सर जी? So he looks at me, he's like, भाई साहब क्या हाल है? 30 रुपए है. मैंने कहा अच्छा, मैंने 30 रुपए दिया. फिर he looks at me again, he's like, भाई साहब कैसे हैं आप? मैंने कहा हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक, आप कैसे? क्या हाल है आपका? ठीक है आप? And like, हाँ बिल्कुल सही, आप कैसे हैं? अच्छा चलें जी, okay, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. So I don't know why he just, it all seemed a bit weird. Yeah, maybe. I've paid my dues.
The price
This toll gate is the gate to afterlife.
Oh my God.
Yep.
So yeah, that's where we were hinting at, Sakir.
Yeah.
So,
I thought I'd make it obvious.
yeah.
For people who don't speak English. So हिल English में बता दिया.
उसके बाद थोड़ी सी जर्नी रहती है, थोड़ा सा ऐसे like 3 घंटे और रहते हैं to get to Karachi. And so they have officially named it a motorway now, which is the Hyderabad Karachi super highway, जिसको कहते थे शायद.
Yeah.
And now it's a Hyderabad Karachi motorway, M9.
Okay.
And it is by far the worst fucking road I've ever driven in Pakistan. Like even if I compare with National Highway trucks and all of that, it is absolutely horrible driving on it. Again, the road is a motorway, तो वो सही है, like the road quality, but यार तीनों lanes में trucks हैं और गाड़ियां like 60 पे जा रही हैं, सिगरेट बाहर फ्लिक हो रहे हैं, so कोई सीन नहीं है. And then I spot bikes and rickshaw on the motorway. I'm like, क्या मुझे ये दिख रहा है, शायद मुझे नींद आ रही है, या was this just a bike coming towards me on the motorway, ulta?
Wow.
Through the fucking cars.
Wow.
To turn into a fuel station या कोई restaurant जिसका नाम Super Madina है or something.
Of course.
Or, yeah, and
Wow.
there are bikes and rickshaw on M9, which is so strange क्योंकि पंजाब side पे ऐसा bikes are not allowed, of course, और rickshaw तो मतलब what do I say? So it's pretty horrible. It's very frustrating. Or apparently, and later looking up and talking to a few people on Twitter, I found out कि उस motorway पे एक patch है, which is like some people nickname as like the Bermuda Triangle of M9, which is Nooriabad interchange के पास. And if you Google Nooriabad accidents, you'll find like dozens of accidents जिसमें like ऐसे है एक में 14 लोग मर गए हैं, एक में 20 लोग मर गए. It's insane. Yeah, so there's something उस interchange पे, I don't know, कोई ऐसा curve है या क्या है,
Probably,
पता नहीं,
probably.
but
It's not
I
wrong.
didn't,
It's not wrong.
Yeah,
yeah, I didn't know that at that time. मैं सबको गंदी लाइटें मारते हुए और गालियां देते हुए 140 पे जाने की कोशिश कर रहा था on that motorway. So I don't know, bro. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's about it. That was a Karachi
It's just
journey.
it's buses catching on fire and what?
Wow.
Oh wow.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And अच्छा पूरे रास्ते Google Maps was working fine.
Yeah. वो maps वैसे भी शायद कुछ देर काफी आगे का लोड भी हो जाता है, तो अगर बीच में नहीं भी चला होगा तो map. But I don't run the maps throughout. Like when I see it says 400 kilometers सीधा, so I just close it and keep it. So
Okay.
I just monitor 400 kilometers on गाड़ी का meter, and yeah.
Right. Okay. And बाकी signal वगैरह was all fine
Yeah.
through the whole thing. Okay. अच्छा.
Oh, bro, I sorry, I missed the stop बीच में at जिस पे काफी लोग offend हो गए Twitter पे. I don't know why. Like it turned into a fucking political discussion. So I stopped. मुझे बताया again. My brother-in-law told me कि right before Sakhar, he said there's a place called Panu Akil.
Panu Akil. Yeah.
वहाँ पे
Shahzad is.
Panu
Oh,
yeah.
the
And वहाँ पे
small town, the hole in the ground that is
yeah.
Panu Akil.
So, I know,
आग लग
यार,
गई
मेरी
वहाँ
बात सुनो. So मुझे बताया गया there's Panu Akil और वहाँ पे एक McDonald's है. So I'm like, okay, wow, मतलब अच्छा है. I've seen McDonald's at like Wazirabad and like
Yeah.
all other छोटे पंजाब के शहर. And it's okay to call it a small शहर. मतलब even
नहीं दुबई है.
Lahore is a बड़ा गांव, so I don't know.
Panu Akil is actually New York is based on Panu Akil. तुम्हें नहीं पता.
Yeah. मतलब it's just खेत and palm trees, guys. ऐसा क्या हो गया? It's fine. पाकिस्तान में हर टाइप के, हर साइज के,
Yeah.
हर साइज के शहर हैं. मैकडॉनल्ड्स मतलब उसके हाईवे पे है. It's fine. It's not like वो बेचारे गांव के डेट पाम के फार्मर्स उस मैकडॉनल्ड्स में जा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
मतलब it's on the fucking highway. It's a छोटा सा शहर. I call it a गांव because it's part of Azizabad village. So it is like McDonald's का location is called Azizabad village.
Yeah.
So I don't know, bro. It's a small गांव, small शहर.
Yeah, bro.
It has the biggest cantonment in Asia. I don't know.
बहुत आगे. A cantonment isn't a city. मतलब ये क्या बात हुई? अच्छा, ironic लोग ना.
It's a cantonment.
People are like, of course, there's a McDonald's, big army cantonment there.
Largest cantonment is in India, obviously.
Yeah, probably.
झूठ, बस झूठ. इंडिया एशिया में नहीं आता. वो अलग है.
I don't know, bro. मतलब of course there will be a McDonald's there. वो cantonment बहुत पुराना है, अंग्रेजों ने बनाया था, तब से तो नहीं है McDonald's वहाँ. 1-2 साल पहले ही खुला.
The guy who made
अगर मैं
it,
30
his
साल पहले
name
जाता.
he was Viceroy McDonald, actually. The guy who made it. So, you know, just check yourself. Get your facts straight, buddy.
Mr. Ronald.
Ronald. No D at the end. Ronald McDonald.
Ronald McDonald. So yeah, that was pretty weird how Twitter, it got like 200 replies or something. Look,
Yeah.
and everybody is giving in that unique
I love
response
it.
of this is a cantonment. Well, fuck you guys. एक दफा
No
पढ़
one,
लिया है मैंने.
no one reads के अच्छा इस tweet पे Panu Akil के there's 167 replies, but no one will have
Yeah.
said this thing that I am now going to say. मतलब,
Yeah,
unique
it's-
motherfuckers.
It's just सारे मतलब bro, it's a cantonment. अच्छा ठीक है यार, मतलब अब मैं क्या करूं? Fort join कर लूं? मतलब
Yeah,
what
yeah.
should I do?
You're sleeping in McDonald's, go on the border.
Yeah.
That's the logic. TikTok अगर अभी एक्टिव होता तो हम कहते हैं कि तू यहाँ का बदमाश है, मैं बॉर्डर का बदमाश. That bullshit.
Oh.
Khair,
So yeah,
when did you get then to your place in Karachi?
yeah, I got there at like 10 p.m.
Okay.
रात
Okay.
को. So yeah, I entered Karachi around 8:30 और
फिर एक अलग सफर
the
शुरू हुआ.
place is in DHA. Yeah, it was the place is in DHA and it was a weekend, so वो पागलों वाली traffic.
Did you
और
take the expressway?
I had to. I did not. The map didn't take me there. I took the expressway अभी आते हुए.
Okay.
So I was crossing like Malir Kent के आसपास के areas or
Right.
cantonment.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Or
Malir village. Acha.
yeah, so that's my Malir.
Okay.
So yeah,
How long-
that's my journey to Karachi. Baki, I don't know. You guys should talk about something.
Yeah. So the main thing you did in Karachi was eat. So we saw the
Yeah.
pictures. Everyone go to Rizwan's profile on Twitter, Rizwan Pelwan, Hit Media, food pictures. He's talking about it. We won't go through the list. But
Yep.
if you were to pick now, first top 3 things that you ate. How many things? You didn't eat that many things. Top 1 thing that you ate. What's the first thing that comes to mind?
The Nihari at Ghafar Kebab House. Oh
Sorry,
my
heavy.
god.
Yep.
Oh
Yep,
my
yep.
god. Okay. I have had Nihari probably hundreds of times in my
Yep.
life.
Yeah.
I have never had Nihari aisi jaisi at Ghafar Kebab House. Oh my god. Like lovely barbecue too.
Yep.
I found it was okay. मतलब सही था. कुछ चीजें ठंडी थी for some reason. I don't know why. But the Nihari, man. Oh shit. We had like I had maghaz Nihari and they put like a big maghaz on it.
Wow.
Creamy as fuck. It's not the Nihari, strangely, it's not super oily, it's not super spicy or salty. It's like the perfect balance. Or beach mein, I was having it with roti, which Karachi wale call tandoori roti and we call khamiri roti for some reason.
Okay. Not naan?
Beach mein I tried the Nihari with puri paratha. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh
I
my
wasn't
God.
It's
convinced.
disappointing that you went to Ghaffar and didn't have Shirmal, to be honest. Like, really, fuck off.
Yeah. But also,
Makeup se
yeah.
main-
paratha with nihari was something I considered to be very weird for a very long time. क्योंकि मैंने सारी जिंदगी में सिर्फ नान के साथ खाया था या at most chapati के
Yeah.
साथ. But paratha and nihari is pretty solid. Obviously, shirmal is great. But
yeah, I don't know why it didn't cross my mind to order shirmal जबकि सरखेल ने इतनी दफा बताया था. Sorry, Sarkhel, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine, man. You don't pay attention to me. It's okay. It's not
अभी सनसेट होता तो देखते रिजवान की अटेंशन.
bloody.
Bro,
अच्छा.
हम सब का भी सूरज डूब ही रहा है आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. It's okay.
Alright.
यही होता है
तो-
जब सिंध में ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट ढूंढो ना, इस तरह की बातें करते हो.
ये ससी हो गया तो मैं सस. Putting the sus in sasi.
Oh my god.
Okay, but yeah,
Oh, no.
good, heavy choice. Any other
Yep.
notable mentions? I think you liked pretty much everything you had.
I like most of the stuff I had. Some of it was okay. मुझे याद भी नहीं आ रहा यार क्या क्या खाया हमने. पलवशा क्या था? I don't know. Okay. Oh, so the donut burger at Two Guys One Grill. Oh,
One grill,
oh my god.
shout out, sponsor us, send burgers to no one's in Karachi.
Oh my god, they're really f***ing good. So the donut is not overly sweet. It's it's so good. So what Palvasha and I decided, because din or time itna kam tha, so we were not sitting down at one place and having lunch. So we were just doing takeaways और हम एक चीज लेके divide कर रहे थे, 2 लोग खा रहे थे.
Right.
So we would take like one donut burger and have half, and let's say we tried a hot chili dog at Aussie Burger, which
Okay.
people like burgers वहाँ के, but we already had the donut burgers. It was like, fuck it. The chili dog was okay.
Chili dogs, I've had a few in my life and they're all fine. Like I've never had something.
I've had good ones. I've
Yeah.
had good ones. This one had a very ketchupy chili for some reason. I don't know.
They probably had ketchup in it. 100%.
Yeah. और क्या I've had Famous O's pizza pehle, so I had it again. I think Pomo ka
really?
pizza is like much better. Yeah.
The place we went
main
to?
aur tum gaye the.
Acha.
Yeah.
Famous O's is the place that we were talking about that has imported everything.
Yep.
Okay.
Famous O's in Islamabad as well, right? I think I missed Islamabad mein gaya tha.
Yeah.
What's
I think
that?
so.
What was that?
Famous O's in Islamabad as well.
Shayad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look it up, Sakhil. Jamie, pull it up. And वो जो है Famous O's का तुमने वही खाया import pizza?
Yeah, I don't know. I just saw like ऊपर लिखा हुआ mozzarella and basil. So
Basil.
I just had that. It was okay. Yeah, I've seen that.
But Ghaffar ki Nahari, hardcore standout.
Oh man, seriously. And how fucking cheap is the desi food in Karachi? I have no idea how are they managing this.
Acha, even desi food is cheaper than Lahore?
Yeah, the desi food for sure. Like it's much cheaper than Lahore.
Acha.
I got a Magaz Nihari for 400 rupees at Ghaffar Kebab. And Lahore में आम ये घर के पास में निहारी की जगह सादा निहारी is for like 700 रुपए.
Wow.
So yeah,
I wonder why.
it's
Lahore is also a big city and Punjab में तो agriculture भी सब करीब है तो आटा गोश्त वगैरह
yeah.
should be that pricey. But
I don't know, man.
Sorry,
Or,
Famous O's is not in Islamabad, only in Karachi. I thought I heard.
Okay.
Yeah.
okay. And the healthy now. But chalo, okay. And Karachi में खुदा ना खास्ता कोई कोविड सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग और ऐसे कुछ तो आपको मसले फेस नहीं करने पड़े?
Yeah, actually, like restaurants and ऐसी जगह were following this really well in Karachi. Like you don't see that in Lahore इतना ज़्यादा. For example, like Okra Test Kitchen, they have just 2 tables niche and 2 tables upar.
Okay.
So they were allowing only 1 table to be occupied at any time.
That's very good.
So people are so crazy about the place कि लोग बाहर लाइन लगा के खड़े हैं इंतजार कर रहे
Okra
हैं
पे
कि
तो पागलों वाला scene है. I went
Yeah.
In Karachi January में I went with Rabia and I think तुम अभी कह रहे हो कि 2 tables
I also went with Rabia like last year.
That's the one place she knows. but like I think वैसे भी normal times में क्या 4 tables होंगी नीचे? It's not like a huge place.
Niche is like yeah.
Hey
It's
guys,
a tiny place.
sorry, silly question. I think I know the answer to it, but just want to clarify. I've never known what a fucking test kitchen is, but I imagine they just like test new dishes. Why is it called a test kitchen?
I think it's more
Is that
because
why?
they don't have a fixed, perhaps I'm talking out of my ass now, but I think because they don't perhaps have a fixed menu and they keep changing things up. It's supposed to be very like new age type.
Yeah.
Kitchen बैठने के area के साथ है. Most of it is open, machines सामने ही है, and they do a lot of like crazy baking and stuff like that. So perhaps that's why. Because बराबर में Okra है,
Yeah.
is like established fixed menu, बड़े अरसे से, all of that.
Yeah.
Does this imply the existence of an exam kitchen?
No, a test and exam are not that different.
देखो हमारे स्कूल में आप पहले टेस्ट देते हो to prepare for the exam. आपको पता नहीं कौन से स्कूल में आप लोग पढ़े हैं? यही होता है.
Graduate kitchen. चल
पहले mocks होते हैं आपके mocks.
देखें हमारे जमाने में तो हम सड़क पे स्ट्रीट लाइट के नीचे बैठ के पढ़ते थे.
तो देखो हम दी ओकरा के बाहर स्ट्रीट लाइट्स के नीचे थे ना लोग. आप देखें बस it's all happened. It's all still. But अच्छा, what did you get from Okra?
Strangely, my test kitchen experience was not very nice this time around.
Okay.
So I think they
fail.
Yeah, I had they're doing the chef movie wala Cubano sandwich now, which was really good. Okay. Or I had their steak sandwich, which is like an open sandwich on a sourdough bread.
Yeah.
And उनका mozzarella cheese खत्म हुआ हुआ था, so they're like हम इस पे blue cheese डाल दें. So I've only had like blue cheese sauces.
Okay.
Yeah, I've only had blue cheese sauces in burgers वगैरह. So and they're okay. So I've
disgusting.
not had like, So I have not had blue cheese in its proper like
Nanga.
yeah, Nanga blue cheese. Sabur.
Raw.
न्यूड नहीं खाया कभी ब्लू चीज.
And plus we
पैक
were,
में नहीं खाया तुमने.
we were doing a takeaway, so I wouldn't have been able to find out घर जाने से पहले कि ये क्या होने वाला है.
Right.
So घर जाने तक it got pretty weird. Like the blue cheese had a very pungent flavor and smell. The sourdough became pretty soggy क्योंकि घर तक, you know.
Yeah, moist हो गया.
So, yeah.
No one can ever say that word seriously anymore. Moist.
Yeah, the bread was dripping or
Wet सा था थोड़ा sandwich. Blue जब मैंने mouth में डाला.
Damp.
अच्छा, but it wasn't to your taste. But you said Palvasha liked it.
No,
It has
like
bread.
no, nobody liked it. We had like two of them for takeaway. But I ended up having like 1.5 of them because nobody liked it. So
हाँ, ये अच्छी बात है कि
such a waste of steak.
खाना पसंद भी ना है ना, हम खा लेंगे, खत्म होगा. It's not के ओहो पसंद नहीं आ रहा. No, fucking we'll finish.
Yeah. I'm 35 now and अभी तक वो वाला सीन है, like पत्थर हजम वाला सीन है. कुछ भी.
Yeah.
गफार कबाब के बाद हम घर आए हैं, पूरा खानदान इंक्लूडिंग पलवशा, they are like heartburn, Gaviscon bottle से पी रहे हैं. Like,
Shots.
I'm like यार भूख लग रही है. I'm like थोड़ी भूख लग रही है यार. Like,
Diabetes.
yes.
नहीं, अभी थोड़े दिन पहले यही था. Basma and I had the same meals exact. और फिर रात को ना Basma टर्म्स में इश्यूज होने लगे, पेट खराब हो रहा है और ये वो. अगले दिन सुबह तुमने भी तुम्हारा कराची. This shit doesn't happen. अच्छा.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you drove back a few days later.
Yeah, I drove back kal. It took me longer because I hadn't slept well, or it was horrible.
Bro, are you guys sleeping poorly generally aajkal? Because I fucking am.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
We've had like very vastly changing sleep routines throughout ये pandemic scene. कभी बिल्कुल सही हो जाता है, कभी it's like 3 hours a day, like bad scene हुआ हुआ है. Yeah.
Like I'm waking up like multiple times raat ko, and that's like not happened. I don't remember when that happened.
Bro,
last
वो
time.
तो तुम्हारे घर में तो जिन है probably. तो,
Oh right, okay.
Yeah.
Fucking the crazy dream I had that I posted about, that was like in one of my shorter sessions. Like, you know, जब सुबह उठो and it's like, oh, it's too early to wake up, चलो वापस सो जाते हैं, and that fucks you.
Yeah.
Because that 1 hour of sleep takes away 5 hours of sleep. So that's when that happened. Yeah. So I don't know, man. Maybe it's my mattress देखते हैं नहीं करने क्या सुनता. But all right.
Yeah, bro, mattress changes everything, man. Seriously.
Maybe just the looking forward to moving to a new house. Yeah, anxiety. Yeah, excitement. Either way.
All right. So okay, let's just set all the
all of
possible
that.
options. इनमें से कुछ भी हो सकता है. So yes.
Yeah. कुछ भी. मुझे तो यार किसी
हिला के सो जा यार.
Fucking Alicia.
यार मुझे तो honestly किसी नई जगह जाके मुझे तो पॉटी भी नहीं आती यार किसी नई जगह जाके.
Yeah.
So you didn't poo in Sindh or Karachi.
He pooed on Sindh.
देखिए हम पंजाब का सामान सिर्फ पंजाब में छोड़ते हैं.
He took the thing, leave no trace behind, too seriously. Border cross होते ही there's like a mound.
What happens in Punjab? Okay, fuck that.
Tollgate पे he's handing over a bag to the guy.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. ठीक है अब.
ये ले सर.
पैसे छोड़े हैं. Did you go back on the same bridge वापसी में?
हाँ, but it was like दोपहर के 11 बजे or something. Was horrible.
Right.
Yeah.
Full bright AF. अच्छा.
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo ji, towards the end of our show, we had a very lambi si achhi si story. Let's just quickly head on over to some of the questions.
Guys, sorry, I missed out something.
Okay.
So if you are planning to do this trip जैसे मैंने किया है, and if your car has a Lahore number plate, अच्छा, तो आपको वापसी पे थोड़ा मसला हो सकता है.
Okay. जाते हुए क्यों
जो
नहीं
मुझे भी
तुम्हें?
हुआ यार, वो जाने वाली साइड पे खड़े ही नहीं है.
अच्छा.
So हाँ, वो से मेरा मतलब है सिंध पुलिस.
Yeah.
और वापसी पे they stopped my car. They were just stopping Lahore number plate cars for some reason, which reason I found out very quickly. तो उन्होंने मुझसे मेरा लाइसेंस, कार रजिस्ट्रेशन वगैरह मांगा, आईडी एंड स्टफ. मैंने दे दिया. उसके बाद तो मेरी गाड़ी का सब कुछ तो लाहौर का है, नंबर प्लेट, रजिस्ट्रेशन, सब कुछ. सो द गाय इज लाइक, अंदर आइए आप कैबिन में. फक, चलो इट स्टार्ट्स. अंदर गया हूँ, बड़े साहब से मिले जी. बड़े साहब बैठे हैं, धोती पहन के, कुर्ता पहन के, एक चारपाई पे बैठे हैं. फुल मतलब हुक्का रह गया बस, बाकी फुल सीन ऑन था उनका. एंड ही इज लाइक कि आप ये आपका एनओसी कहाँ है सिंध में गाड़ी चलाने का? लाइक क्या, कौन सा एनओसी? नहीं, एक एनओसी चाहिए होता है गवर्नमेंट का, जो आपके पास नहीं है तो 6,500 रुपए फाइन है. तो वो आपको हम यहाँ फाइन की पर्ची बनाएंगे और आपका आईडी रख लेंगे हम.
Yeah.
आप अभी कोर्ट जाएं या आप पहले फाइन पे करें, फिर वो कोर्ट में आपने पे करना है, फिर आपको पेपर मिलेगा, फिर आप वापस यहाँ आए, अपना आईडी ले जाएं. देखिए ये कैसे, मैं वापस कहाँ से सिंध आऊं और क्या क्या सीन है. तो वो थोड़े बदतमीजी शुरू हो रहे थे कि हमें नहीं पता, ठीक है आप हमें पैसे दे दें, 6,500, 100 रुपए और दें, हमारा बंदा अभी कोर्ट जाएगा, आप यहाँ तब तक आप और आपकी फैमिली हमारे कैबिन में बैठे हैं, वो 2-3 घंटे में करके आपका काम वापस आएगा. कि यार ये क्या नया लॉ बना रहे हैं ये ऑन द स्पॉट. So maybe the law is real. I don't know. I'm not educated on it. But if it is real, there should be some way of, I don't know.
Did this happen to your
Working this
brother-in-law
out.
also?
It did happen to him, but my brother-in-law is thoda sa like sarfira, and he's from Karachi, so उसने उनके साथ कोई बहस वहस शुरू कर दी थी और लाइक पता नहीं क्या उसका एंड रिजल्ट हुआ था. So I was like, I don't want any of that. As you know, I'm very non-confrontational.
Yeah. Peace and love.
Yeah, peace and love and happiness.
Yeah.
So मैंने उनको बोला कि यार सर आप थोड़ी हेल्प कर दें, कुछ मेहरबानी करें, पाकिस्तानी वर्ड्स सारे इस्तेमाल किए. And he was like, अच्छा आप 5,000 दे दें हमें और जाएं. 5,000, like what the fuck, the money I was saving कि मैं फ्लाइट लेके नहीं जा रहा, वो मेरा यहाँ लग जाएगा. करते करते they snatched money from my hand, like 4,000 मैंने निकाले हुए थे, like जाओ यहाँ से, जाओ. So they took 4,000 रुपए. I was like, okay, so that's that. I don't know if there is an NOC thing and you're planning the trip, find out about it. कुछ बनवा लो, गाड़ी में रख लो.
Yeah.
वो होगा तो शायद वो कहेंगे आप शादी का सर्टिफिकेट दिखाओ, आप दोनों कौन हो, जा रहे हो. अगर वो भी होगा तो बोलेंगे 35 साल की उम्र से नीचे सिर्फ अलाउड है, कोई नया रूल बन जाएगा. So
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, पूछेंगे आपने वोट
Yeah,
किसको दिया है.
I always wondered, there's probably something you can say to Pakistani police that would probably scare them enough. Like,
Yeah.
take it out. There's probably something, right? Like,
So one time I have a story.
I was thinking that maybe I'll say something stupid like, आपके ऊपर अभी 3 कैमरे लगे हुए हैं, आप सोच समझ के बोलो जो आपने बोलना है. And they're just like looking around, कितने कैमरे.
Yeah, वो जिस तरह तुम कहोगे ना, वो कहेंगे नहीं. अभी आपके अंदर 3 कैमरा हम डालेंगे. No, what happened once was I was coming home from a gig in Karachi, बहुत पहले, obviously, and काफी रात हो गई थी. I think 1:30 बज रहा था. So Gulshan में we had dropped our friend off in block 13D, and we were driving towards Johar. A friend of ours lived in Maskari 4. I lived in Johar, and the other friend also lived in Johar. So I was driving. Scene हुआ. We come out. Sir Syed के पास वाले area से there's an underpass for people who know. Police वहाँ कोने पे खड़े रोक लिया उन्होंने. आजा बे आजा. The सिल्लू का पट्टा. He gets out. And he's like, "Assalamualaikum जी, मेरा नाम अनस है, मैं ब्रिगेडियर इनका भतीजा हूँ और ये मेरे साथ ओवैस हैं, कर्नल साहब के बेटे हैं. जी बताएं क्या मसला है?" कोई मसला नहीं. Like that. Like that. He got out of the car saying this और उसी मोशन में स्पन वापस आके बैठ गया. चले गए.
Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
I mean,
Yeah,
he was
I don't know,
brigadier
it's-
ka like
yeah.
batija, and
Yeah.
he was ex-colonel ka whatever or whatever. But they're like, fuck
Yeah, yeah. Honey, that always helps.
yeah.
एक तो यार I was in foreign territory और अगर in the middle of nowhere, like जहाँ इन्होंने रोका आसपास कुछ नहीं है, it's just like a desert kind of place.
Yeah.
और you know, you just want to get out and just get going.
Historically
पंजाब
also,
में कोई ऐसा रोके या
yeah, historically also I've heard that between Sakkar and Multan wale area जो है ना, that's the shady place. In the whole journey from
Yeah.
Karachi to Lahore वापस, that's what people say कि डाकू उधर होते हैं और पुलिस वाले भी हमारे कोई डाकू से कम तो नहीं है. If they get the chance, तो yeah,
Any, I love the army. I love the police. I love our
yeah,
law
yeah.
enforcement officers.
हाँ.
Yeah.
चलो एक ऐप. अच्छा जी, तो we put out a request for some questions because I thought what we should do in these
Yeah.
episodes is give life advice, because between the three of us, I'm 34, 33, Rizwan is 35, so that's what, 70, 68?
Almost.
68 हो गया.
Yeah.
और Sarkhel, how
Yeah.
old are you?
Yeah.
29.
Wow.
Wow. So that's 68, 78, 88, 97. So 97 years old हैं हम, तो हमने इतनी सारी जिंदगी जी हुई है, and we should give advice to people, you know, fix people's lives. That advice can
for
be
sure.
wrong, but you know, who cares? खैर, तो
Bro, advice is never wrong. Like advice is so relative. It's never wrong. Yeah, there's
Yeah.
no wrong advice. Yeah.
great. That's horrible advice. that in itself is bad advice. But Rameez Hassan, perpetual interactor with us. Rameez Hassan also sent us some stories, etc. Yeah, a new Pakistani asshole. He wanted to ask about Rizwan's food spree. We've talked about it. Sarkhel's PS5 update. Sarkhel, have you had any updates on PS5? Yeah, aa raha hai bas.
I emailed Emacs where I placed the pre-order
Yeah.
because there were a bunch of retailers that you could have placed it: Virgin, Jumbo, Emacs, and Amazon. And on the day, Emacs की website was the only one that was working, so I went with Emacs. And I'm still scared कि भाई यार they're gonna fuck it up. And इनके email में उन्होंने कहा है कि भाई we will be delivering it mid-late November. Now, what is that supposed to mean? Because launch date is 19th. I'm scared it's not going to come out on the 19th. I'm scared they'll be like, oh, अच्छा 21-22 को deliver कर देंगे. So I don't know.
Well, do you want to get it like on the 19th of November? बहुत जोर से.
Yeah, exact. Like, bro, imagine if I'm sitting at home and people are like unwrapping and unboxing PS5s and I'm just like sitting there.
All right.
nothing.
Bro, like the advice यहाँ पे, stop living for other people, bro. मतलब that's okay. Yeah. Live for
okay,
yourself.
So I should not have FOMO.
Acha, yeah, and
Yeah,
also
yeah.
unbox on November ki Chalan Crew wali episode. So whenever that happens.
I mean, you whatever it happens, you guys have to just be ready to be there.
Yeah, I mean, I'm home always.
Okay.
Yeah.
Khair. So that's the update on PS5. Ali's favorite Karachi food place. I won't be able to pick one, but the place that I do remember the most often is Silver Spoon. That's the place I remember the most often.
Oh man, sorry, I passed it. इस दफा लेकिन time नहीं था रुकने का.
Yeah, that's true. And then this one is for all of you. KFC or McDonald's if you have to choose for the rest of your life.
Easy, KFC.
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 Yeah, I'd say KFC too, because McDonald's I really like their burgers, I really like their fries, but KFC.
But that's all they have.
Yeah, no, like KFC doesn't have those. But KFC ka zinger is amazing, and they have chicken.
No, but
Yeah.
if one day you don't want a burger, you can just have the rice or the chicken itself. Okay.
Yeah,
And if you
either,
don't-
by the way, that's
and
not-
McDonald's may. Okay, when McDonald's may, it's either burgers or maybe wraps. That's all.
McDonald's
Nuggets.
Pakistan has fried chicken, but yeah, that's beside the point. Yeah.
Although here's the point: McDonald's does have breakfast.
Oh.
नाश्ते में जिंगर खा लेंगे क्या फर्क पड़ता है नाश्ते में नहारी
Yeah, fuck that. मतलब खैर है.
okay.
Yeah, KFC any day. Like,
KFC.
yeah. मतलब,
all right
oh man, or Dubai wala KFC yaar. Or
I miss that
original
shit.
or spicy or
I miss
non-spicy.
that shit I miss that shit a
Yeah.
lot.
Sorry, sir, not allowed.
Acha ji Shundu Mundu was asking Acha Rizwan, how did Captive go? Captive went well.
Yeah, so I had initially made a list of people जो मेरा ओरिजिनल प्लान था कराची आने का. So उसमें मेरे पास 15 दिन होने थे. So मैं बाकियों को भी I could have given like a good time to plan and show up, but because my trip just turned into a 4-day trip, so I just messaged a few people जिनका मुझे पता था कि like वो फारिग होंगे उस दिन या वो मेरे साथ रेगुलर उस टाइम बात कर रहे थे, getting updates on what's going on. तो I just told 4 or 5 people to come. 3 लोग आ गए थे, बाकी 2 को like work day था, time नहीं मिला. So yeah, I couldn't pick a place because again I didn't have time. तो मैंने गुजरते हुए देखा था वो जहाँ PF Chang's बना है. It's some new mall kind of a thing.
Okay.
बिल्कुल Barbecue Tonight के सामने है.
Oh,
So,
right.
वहाँ- Yeah, वो बिलावल चौरंगी. So वहाँ पे there's a new Gloria Jeans. So I just sat there. I called the people there.
Okay.
Yeah, there were just 3. It was nice. Yeah, I've posted all 3 of them. आप लोग देख लेना मेरे Instagram. Rizwan Takhar.
Yeah.
पे.
ठीक है जी Shundu Mundu आपकी स्टोरी हो गई है. Mariam is asking Karachi or Lahore which has better food. Karachi obviously, but I like creating chaos.
Easy, Karachi.
There's no
Karachi, man.
question.
There's no
Easy.
comparison. No
Yeah.
question about it. Lahore is fucked up for food. Lahore
Acha,
is
Rizwan,
food
what is
tragedy.
one thing, an interesting question that I'm asking, that is good and available in Lahore, but definitely you have not known in Karachi?
There are 2 things. Acha, एक तो मिलती है out of those 2 things, but I've had the best in Lahore, which is Bhat Kadai.
Okay.
So the kadai that they make at Bhat Kadai, especially with that आधा किलो butter का knob जो उस पे फेंकते हैं end में, so it's insane. But something that is very unique to Lahore that you don't get in Karachi. Maybe people must be making it now क्योंकि अब burger लोगों ने बड़ा मशहूर कर दिया है after all the food festivals and stuff.
Right.
But that is tawa chicken from the original Arif Chatkara in Hira Mandi.
Yeah.
So
Is that where we went?
Did we go? Oh, we went to.
Yeah.
Yes.
When Basma and I were over.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Yeah.
So, that is very unique to Lahore, and I haven't been there in a while. But, that's something that's really good that Lahore has. Yeah.
Okay. And then, what the fuck was Dijink asking? Dijink had a very complicated question. Favorite meal deal for all of us? What is our favorite? His is duck hoisin wrap, Lay's chili wale, and a Ribena. काफी European thing है. But
Wow.
I
what
mean,
is your
the meal deal is a European British thing anyway. यहाँ कहाँ मिलती है meal deals?
चलो combos include कर लेते हैं. Combo meal favorite.
Yeah.
What, we're gonna say like a KFC bucket. Oh no, everyone's stuck again. Mother. Horizon's back. Okay, you guys are back.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. It's working again.
Okay.
Yeah, जी, favorite combo.
Like KFC में, McDonald's में, किस restaurant में, क्या तुम्हें?
Yeah,
You
any
just said
restaurant.
meal.
One restaurant is किसी एक का combo. First thing comes to your mind.
I guess a 4-piece chicken meal.
All right, so KFC.
Popeyes. Popeyes is pretty good too.
Popeyes.
Okay.
Yeah. What about you, Rizwan? मुश्किल सवाल.
Yeah. बड़ा मुश्किल सवाल है यार. Like.
It's a very vague question because what Dijink is asking is not available here, and you have to make it up. It doesn't make sense. Sorry, wrong question. आइंदा ना पूछना.
Yeah. What?
Millennial rage.
Bro, matlab,
My
we
thing,
don't use such words, okay? Like,
yeah, we're a big deal now. वो जो है
You can censor it. It's fine.
KFC, when I order KFC, so we get like a 6-piece bucket here. मेरे और बसमा के लिए side job, but I also always
Yeah.
order a zinger because zinger and chicken is my concept. Yeah. जैसे McDonald's में भी जब order होता है तो nuggets जरूर आते हैं.
Yeah.
Burger, sugar, fries, you go nuggets. That's like part of the thing.
oh, nuggets for sure. But again, because KFC is our one choice for life from the previous question. Yeah, KFC. My favorite thing I get at KFC is like 4 chicken strips with a corn on the cob and a coleslaw and a bun and spicy fries.
You get strips. You don't get the chicken on the bone.
I prefer strips. I do eat chicken a lot, but like the in-bone chicken, but I prefer strips.
Bone-in.
Boneless पसंद है मेरे को.
अच्छा जी, Instagram पे भी कुछ जवाबात आए थे. Ayub, our chatti buddy Ayub, is asking a question: why so many rainbow story colors always in your stories? Are you a colorful? Yes.
Yes.
Moving on.
Yes.
Yeah, young follower Ikrash, जिसके हमने नाम का पूछा था कि इसके नाम का मतलब क्या है. He said मेरे नाम का मतलब है जमा करने वाला. So he's gonna collect. Collections में आप नौकरी कर लीजिएगा. He is asking a question that I suppose you guys would know better than me. कि PSL होगा?
हो रहा है.
He's asking COVID के चक्कर में, I guess.
हो रहा है. PSL
Okay.
हो रहा है. PSL is restarting again. जो आखिरी I think semi-finals और finals रहते हैं वो भी नवंबर में होंगे I think, and then yeah.
Okay, follow, Sahel,
Wow.
change of pace, etc. Teddy Master is asking a very specific question: how to wear 400 sweaters for Sahel only, but I don't understand.
I don't know.
There was a person. I don't know if you can put the story in, but you can ask her later. There was a person that we all follow on the Twitter sphere. I mean, we know of her. She tweeted something that was aimed at Teddy Master, and she's like, "यार सारे नंगे क्यों हो? इतने नंगे क्यों हो रहे हैं ये वो ना?" And then, but it was supposed to be clearly sent to someone. It was supposed to be a DM to someone, and with a quote tweet of I think Teddy's tweet, and tweet ho gaya, and
Oh yes,
Yeah.
that was a while ago.
Rizwan knows this, yeah.
Yes, that was a while ago.
and the joke is that खुद 400 स्वेटर पहने हुए इसने.
And we're back from the cut. Acha di, so
Yeah.
Rolling Stone 16 was saying more stories of growing up in Dubai, please, and your favorite places to dine in Dubai. I think the time काफी हो गया, so we'll address this in the next one. Hopefully हमें याद रहे. आप फिर पूछ लीजिए.
Ali, we should do a TPR 10 हम तीनों के साथ, just discussing Dubai food places. Fuck that.
Why just?
आप दुबई आ जाओ तो कर लेते हैं.
Yeah.
When are you
we'll
going
do
to-
10 places to eat in Dubai?
Perhaps. TBR 10 ki episode came out today, which is Friday, basically with Dr. Saab. Last episode comes out this coming Friday. Follow, subscribe, वगैरह. Special guest है हमारे last episode में. Fatma Nawaz is saying more gin stories, please. Yeah, when we have them. If you have gin stories, send them to us. We will make fun of you and them. Yeah, so that's about it. I think any other questions that I am forgetting, please send us questions. We know everything about everything.
Also, sorry, shout out to Eamon, Blue Magic Boxes.
Oh,
Did something
Wonderful
nice.
thing,
that
wonderful
was,
thing
that
she
was
did.
so fucking cool.
Smashed out of the park.
Yeah.
Anyone who doesn't know, she got some replies from like actual astronauts and
Yeah.
space scientists and stuff.
As far as I understand, she's a
for
teacher,
kids.
primary school teacher. They had some
Teacher,
questions about space waste. She said, "शायद मैं Twitter पे डाल दूँ, शायद कुछ हो जाए," and कुछ हो गया. She was also on the recent episode of Zara Hatke with Zarar. Maybe we should have Zarar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'll ask him.
Yeah.
मुझे तो कुछ नहीं पता. But khair, that is it.
I
That's
know
our
a question.
episode. Oh,
Do you
no.
think
Oh, bro, रहने दो तुसी.
all of that is censored? But khair, I'm at the Mahal Akbar. That is Rizwan Belwan. That is Sir Khilsan Khan. TBR Pod is our group account. Check out our previous episode with Umair Jaswal and Zishan Pervez about Rahi. and this episode is also going to
Yeah.
Chalan Rahi or something.
Please
like
देख लो guys, please हमारा राही वाला episode देख लो.
that. Tell ji, we're going to stop recording. Take care or whatever. Bye.
ऐसा ही हूँ इकबाल का